we have already read all the sentences of the story from the story reader. Now I am going to read each and every sentence, but I am not going to complete the sentence. What you need to do? You need to complete the sentence by saying the word which is there at the last. Right? Let's start. Let's see the sentence. Read the sentence. Rani is my, and what will come after that? Rani is my, yes, friend. Rani is my friend. She lives near my, and which word is this? You have read it before this. Try. House. So the sentence is, she lives near my house. Let's go to the next page. Rani and I ride our bicycles to, what will come after to? Where do we go every day? Yes, see the picture. The girl has taken the bag and she is going in her bicycle. Where is she going? You can see the uniform. Then which word it will be? It will be school. So Rani and I ride our bicycles to school. I have a red. What you can see in this image? What is red in color? Yes, your guess is right. Which word is this? Bicycle. I have a red bicycle. Rani has a blue. What is this? Blue in color. So which word will come here? Bicycle. Rani has a blue bicycle. We ride our bicycles very. Which word is this? Try to guess. Fast, right? So the sentence is, we ride our bicycles very fast. Can you see this image? We go up a, where are they going? You have seen? Yes, try to guess which word is this? Hill. We go up a hill. See this image. Let's read it. We go down a, in the previous page only you have seen this word, you have read it also. Yes, this is also hill. So we go down a hill. We. This is so much. Which word it can be? Something what you like to do. Fun. We. This is so much fun. The sentence states, we turn to the, which word is this? Say. Right. We turn to the right. We are almost. Which word is this? You have already read it in the story. We have read it 2-3 times. Yesterday also you have read the story. So which word is this? there. We are almost there. We turn to the, what is this? They're turning towards their, which word? Left. We turn to the left. We are at, you know this word very well, right? Which word is this? You are very much familiar with this word. School. We are at school.